Alright, so this is day 1. 1/18/17. BCA-101, Introduction to Computers and Information Systems. So this is the first day. We talked about how to log in. Last name, first initial is the username, and this was the password. And the students had to change that password after they logged in. Went to my NIACC, and then we were able to access the course. Okay, my name Mike Dirksen. I go by Mr. Dirksen. And one of the first things we talked about, the 15-30 rule. When you're working on some work in technology and you can't get a problem solved somewhere between 15 and 30 minutes, maybe plus a little, I would say set it aside, maybe send me an email, or you can text me, or just leave it sit and come back and look at it later. Don't spend hours. You don't want to spend hours working on something when you can get the answer by asking somebody or working it out later. Alright. This is to avoid the issue where somebody says, I worked on it for 4 hours and you get anything done. Well, don't. Manage your time from the start. One of the first things we're going to talk about early in the course is change. How can you change some habits in order to be able to manage your time well? Some of you already might have that mastered. Others you might need help. We filled out the card. We put this information on the front, and then any learning concerns on the back. Alright, we talked about the internet, and I like to draw it this way. And there is really websites and so forth. The internet is the transport system. That's kind of a funny way to put it, but it's the transport. It takes us from Facebook or Canvas where we're getting our work, or Google, or from my home. We are able to go into the internet, and then it transports us where we want to go. For example, if I'm home and I'm going to read some Facebook stuff, I can go here. Or if I'm doing some work on Canvas, here. I might be at home and I go to work at NIACC, and I work on some things at NIACC. Or our labs are right here. That's why we have a separate login. We're really separate from the rest of the college. We have our own IT area. So when you're in PC 229, you're actually working on a separate network, but that network's connected here, and then we have a couple connections in the internet, and then here's all the campus stuff here at NIACC. I draw these little hard drives to represent where things are being stored. Everything we talked about today, but that's a little review at least of what I had on the board. This information here, that will go when I have it open, my personal room. That's what they call it. I have to have it open, and then you can go to this website and you can communicate with me by a video conference. I do these on Monday morning. I'll be in my personal room at 7:15, and then I record that. Or if we want to work on some help sessions and so forth, I can be in my room. I could even be in there during office hours. If you can't make it into campus, you could let me know so that I'm in my room in order for us to communicate. All right, that's it for the first day.